Okay, so we just did the Copperhead strike at Carowinds. So today is opening day, like official opening day. Yesterday was the season pass holder day. We tried to get in line for it, but it was a 3-hour wait with just the season pass holders. So we decided to just come early today on the official day and ride it. So we just got off it, we just rode it, we've just been walking for a little bit just to get away from all the people over there. So I thought it was awesome. Like, it is a completely different ride than I've ever rode before. It has no like real like chain to bring you up because it's a launch coaster. It's actually a double launch coaster. So like it's one of those things that's a little deceptive because you're not going high up and thinking that it's going to be this huge drop, but it's a completely different feeling. Part of it is like it goes so slow in certain areas that you're just suspended for a long period of time, and that's where it feels weird. Like your butt will come off the seat, and it's like it feels.
Your butt came off the seat too.
Yeah, but it's awesome. Like the feeling is so different. I know you didn't like it though.
Well, I'm not really a big coaster person, first of all. But I do want to say before we get to the coaster, the theming is actually really cool.
The theming is very cool.
The theming of everything. They did a really good job with that. Sometimes you just walk up to a coaster and that's it. But there was a lot of theming, and I appreciated all that. That was a lot of good things. Not a big, like I said, I'm not a big coaster person. I think it was those the when it slowed down because it's almost like you're going fast and all of a sudden it's like. And that's when your body is just like trying to, get used to it. I didn't particularly like it, but I'm not a coaster person. If I was a coaster person, I would think that I would recommend it to someone who likes roller coasters though. But being that I'm not a roller coaster person, I didn't, particularly like it. But I definitely think that it was a good ride.
I thought it was great. Yeah. Like, if you're into roller coasters, this is definitely one to be on.
Oh yeah.
I mean, at Carowinds, they got a lot of great coasters like Fury and stuff like that. But this one is so different that
it's smooth also.
Like I don't think it's better than Fury, but I don't think it's worse than Fury. Like I mean, it's on a completely different level.
It's a different kind of.
It's a different level of roller coaster. So definitely, if you guys come here.
So the speed was.
I think the speed was okay. I mean, I think a few times like it was like the launch I felt was a little slow, but it only goes up to like 43 miles an hour. But I was expecting. Like on that first launch, I was expecting more thrust. I was expecting more G-forces. It didn't have as much G-force on the first one as it did, as I thought it was going to. But on the second one, it felt a lot faster.
What did you think about the length of it? Like how long it was? You think it was?
I think the length was okay. I think it was cool in the first barn when you first showed off. Like it's got like all the theming inside that had like. Granny in there.
My eyes were open for that part.
But it had like Granny off to the side, so you could like see she was like fighting snakes and all this other stuff. But like it was very cool. So I would definitely recommend it if you're here for sure.
1 to 5.
1 to 5. I mean, I'd give it a solid 5. Like I really liked it. I thought it was really good. What would you give it?
Like I said, being that I'm not a roller coaster person, I didn't like it. But for a person who does like roller coasters, I definitely would recommend it, and I would say 5. I definitely would say 5. I know that sounds kind of weird, like what? But if you like roller coasters, it's definitely one. And if the line is long, I think. Okay, how long would you wait online for that? Also,
an hour.
I think an hour is a good wait time. Also,
I think
it would be worth waiting for an hour. The line was pretty fast, just like you were saying today. Yesterday was just a little too long.
I mean, 3 hours for yesterday is too crazy.
Yeah.
Today we waited about 30-40 minutes, which I mean it wasn't that bad. I thought it was fine.
But I think it's a great addition to the rides here at Carowinds. There's I think like you said, it's a good ride, but I think it's a ride on its own. It's not like like all the other whatever roller coasters. So.
Yeah.
I give it a thumbs up. I'll
definitely
never get on it again, though.
I'll definitely get on it again. But yeah, guys. So we're going to be walking around some more. We'll probably do some more video. Put some more stuff up maybe. But we just want to come here, ride that ride, get you guys our thoughts on it and everything like that. So, all right, guys. We'll check you later.